I mean, I wonder if we're 4 people. I think like there's gonna be 2 things. I don't know. Controller. Okay, that's a little problem. Okay, so I might not do the VR mode. I mean, I kind of want to try hide and seek in VR mode.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
I wanna test something though. Let me actually find Product Flight. Oh right, my webcam's actually gonna shut off. I just realized, so I'm gonna have to use the VR webcam on this one.
Oh no!
I'm gonna have to use the VR webcam on this one, which does not have the hat, unfortunately.
Oh yeah, VMM.
Okay, where did I build it? That's my question now. Oh, hello.
Oh, hi, hi.
Where's the happy gesture on this one? I don't think that's happy. I'm just gonna be disappointed, I guess.
That's a disappointed gesture. I don't think it's a happy gesture.
There we go. Do this. Background. Transparent. There we go. Much better. B. T. Yeah, Floofy. I'll invite you to a VC, so get ready.
Wait, did he tell her she has Parsec?
Yeah, do you have Parsec? You're gonna need Parsec if you wanna play with us. Also, I need to quickly shut off Steam VR because I need to put up my headset.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna open up my Grumpy Sharks while I'm at it.
Yeah, that could be a potential problem. What's the game? It's Product Flight. It's my bird racing game. I wanted to see, like, just for fun, like, racing with peeps. Name level OVR toolkit and everything, and the webcam again.
I heard the sound of the CBR headset booting up.
Yep. Let me set my tracking to be headset seated. Alright. I'm going to change my output to be that headset.
Fish.
Gonna drop this over there. Alright, I'm in it, and I'm in. Okay, I need to adjust my brightness and everything in the headset. There we go. Now I can see. Now I can see crap what's going on.
You ever
I got a
timer
Switch
on.
controller and a PS4. Would I be it? Did I map PS4? You could try. Like, do you have Parsec? Because you're gonna need Parsec for this. The game's gonna be pretty loud, I think.
Oh, I hear it.
Okay, let me wrap it. I have an Xbox controller. Oh, maybe. Because, yeah, I don't have any way to map stuff yet on stuff, so...
I download the actual game or should I not?
Go east.
Alright.
So I don't know why my menus are down there. Yeah, it's still like in testing mode. How to download? You find Parsec. Like it's not a multiplayer online. You get Parsec and then you connect to my computer. That's why it's a bit, you know. Okay, the stream is like it's lagging the stream a little bit, I think.
I can send Flippy the link to get Parsec.
Oh, webcam. They actually reduce a bit the resolution. This looks sharp, but damn. Alright, that's way better. This looks pretty fine. Anyone naft? Alright. Okay, let me get Floofy in, I guess. Hold up a second.
There we go. I just sent you the link.
Oh crap! It's I want to start a group DM. Damn it! Oof! Got Parsec. Oh, hey, Brisk got Parsec. Hey, Floofy.
Hi. I don't know
And
how to
no
download
brains.
this. I don't know what I'm doing.
Get Parsec.
Oh, I'm bean brain.
Bean brain. Oh boy, let me get blackout then.
Oh, blackout. Blackout. Burb. It's a burb.
Hey,
There we go. So you get Parsec. That's the first step.
I found a
I
Parsec.
sent you the link for Parsec so it'll be easier for you.
Alrighty. I'll download this because like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, it's the same thing.
Okay, yeah, Brisk. Do
Alrighty.
you want to come
And
in
then
if you've got?
And
no.
then the
Like
game is like, oh, free Discord.
Yeah, Brisk,
connection.
you need a controller because I'm gonna be playing on keyboard
like,
to let people
After you,
work
like,
with it.
download
So
Parsec, then you have to make your own account for Parsec.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Oh no.
you can do it.
Alright, I'll try my best to join. I'm just bean brain, so I don't know if I can or can't, and I would love to join, so I'll try my best. Cause like I'm usually not really this good at this type of stuff, but
Oh, you can do it.
E.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna run 3-player. You got Brisk got a controller.
PlayStation controller, but I haven't used it in a year. So-
Brisk, you wanna come in?
Like in the chat, Bruce did say in the chat that he has an
Oh.
emulator controller.
Sign up.
Yeah, I wonder.
Email,
Yeah,
paste.
I still wonder if the PlayStation controller is gonna work. I think
wait,
I
wait,
mapped
wait,
it,
wait.
but I'm not sure.
Wait, could you map it like to have it connect to the PlayStation 5 controller?
Yeah, I would need to go modify the game though.
That
Hey,
is
Brisk.
true.
Yo,
Oh, hello?
Alright, get Parsec, connect to me.
yeah.
E.
If you've got controller, then it should work for you.
Brisk,
Yeah.
Wait,
here's a link to get Parsec. I got you.
just skip for now. I don't give a shit about 2FA.
Thank you. Well, I got the app. I just need to. Like, what would be the next step after this?
Then you need to add me as a friend.
Oh wait, login.
So let's see. So how to add friend? Add friend.
Login.
Type friend name ID. If you like do Mike the Bird, Mike space die space bird. Find me.
Space.
app.
The space.
If you
Alrighty,
included
add
that,
friend.
but yeah. I know they can be connected to PC. Only one left. The thing is, with my like input system that I'm using for Product Flight, I need to map it manually. Like I'm mapping the Xbox controller, I'm mapping the PlayStation controller, I'm mapping everything separately. I don't remember if I mapped the PlayStation 4 controller.
Oh. Wait, what were the controllers were again? Wait, go through that again. I was just actually trying to friend you on this website thingy.
To friend me, I mean, you get the application or something? Did you get the app or did you go through the browser?
I am going through the browser, but I'll try to sign in.
Okay, you should have a friends thingy on the side or something. And then you look me up and you add a friend.
Wait, how did you open up
Okay.
settings?
Friend Mike the Bird.
It's not through Steam, it's an executable because it's not released. I mean, it is technically released as like a
See,
the
Mike the Best, Mike the
alphabet.
Bike, and then that's it.
Mike that bird.
E. No, it's like I'm an idiot.
Look at Mike right here, though. He's a cutie.
Okay, so technically with this, we would go 4 players. Yeah, man. Hey, yeah, Brisk, you can try and connect to me in the meantime, Brisk.
Do you think you could submit the RG? I've been trying to spell it and it's not popping up for me. What? Oh god.
How would you do that?
You should find in your computer section.
Oh, there it is.
Me,
There it is.
like
I see.
BIRD.
Yeah, I just recently made the account, so okay. So that's the controller. So
Friend request, Floofy, bam.
we're best friends now. We're my friend. You're my friend now. Keyboard.
Got my friend now. Having soft tacos later.
Chicken soft tacos.
Okay, so now if there you go, I see stuff now. There's a couple desktops. Okay, Brisk, accept. That's blackout.
Oh,
Burb
Okay, so
server.
Discord.
There's burbs. Okay, so next
Well.
is going to be confirm your email address before. Okay.
Hey, confirm email. Confirm email. Hopefully I'm not doing all of this for nothing. Because I think I tested the 4 players.
So wait, controllers. You don't know if it works on PlayStation. Does it work on? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. That goes. Okay.
It works with Xbox controller, 100%. But I'm not sure with
Alrighty.
PlayStation controller.
Oh. Ooh. I have a Switch controller.
And we'll see
Yeah,
if that works.
that's when a connection attempt timed out. Well, fuck you too. Where's my Switch?
I mean, I'll start it now, and you might connect it later.
Alright.
Let's see if it like works on my end.
I might search around for some wires that can connect to both controllers and see if I can actually make it work. So.
Oh boy. Okay, I'm not on the game just yet, so let me just.
Hey, I can move.
Anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, who's moving me now? I'm moving who? Oh dear. Okay, this is first player.
Okay, I got the bottom.
Okay, keep that. You're controlling me right now. Wait, hold up a second. This is not how it's supposed to work. I'm controlling number 1 here.
Am I controlling you?
Okay, who's doing left, right now?
Yeah, that's me. I'm bottom right.
Okay, Brisk, you're me.
Okay.
That's interesting. Let's try to shut off our controllers and see if we can like remap them correctly or something.
Yeah, do that.
So like unplug and replug.
Like unplug your controllers.
Like, Mike, where are you?
I'm this one here.
Wait, let me. Oh,
Come back. Come back.
I can't stop!
Brist, stop moving me. Unplug your controllers, damn it.
Well, I did it before. Okay, I unplugged it.
Okay, hold up. Okay, I think we're gonna need to restart the game. And
Come up to you, Mike.
unplug out your controllers. Unplug out your controllers.
I just plugged my controller into the computer. Charging. And
Like, for me,
closed
my
off.
controller's wireless.
Yeah, well, remove the batteries then.
Mine is wireless. Okay, it's working on my end.
Okay, all controllers unplugged right now, or remove batteries.
So which one is it? Is it Burb server?
It's gonna be BIRD.
Should I turn my
Connect.
controller back on?
Not yet. Blackout, just wait.
Alrighty, I'm
Oh,
connected.
that's one player, damn it. So keep your controllers off for now. Alright, 4 players. Alright.
That's cuatro.
Okay, don't touch anything just yet. I'm gonna get this working. Turn on my controller first. Can I move? Okay, now this controller is mapped to me. Okay, good.
Now I can turn my controller?
Brisk, turn on your controller.
Hold on.
And try to just turn around.
Okay, plug in this. Plug in this.
I'll try to connect. And computers.
Oh. Let's see. Alright.
Alrighty, I'm in. Alright.
So
wait,
try
wait,
to
wait.
use the left joystick,
Oh,
just to see if it works.
it works. What the fuck is this?
That-
This is kind of cool.
I mean, that's mine here.
Oh wait. Okay, wait. The green one is you.
Yeah, that one over there that's moving, that's me.
Oh, there we go.
I think
Okay,
I'm the
2.
one that's not moving.
Alright.
I think
Floofy,
I'm the one that's
your-
not moving.
is your controller on?
Yes, it is.
Can you try keyboard?
Nope.
Keyboard does not move.
Wait, can I turn the keyboard on my end? That's strange.
Who's the 2 that are not moving? I'm pretty sure I'm one of them.
Blackout, turn on your controller.
Let me do mine.
Come on.
Oh.
You should turn on this one.
Oh.
Hello.
There you go, there you go. Whoa.
Oh, there it is.
Wait, I'm moving? Oh, wait, is that me?
That's blackout.
No, that's not.
I think that's blackout, yeah.
Alright, I'm
There's a
the one
delay
that's
on my
literally
end.
just, I'm just
no.
like this. I'm the
Wait.
dead one over here.
Wait. It's moving me. I'm not touching anything.
Yeah, my controller's on. I'm gonna try the Switch controller. I'll be right back.
Okay, I know Brisk is doing the
Mike,
top left.
Up left.
I'm not touching you, blackout.
I can't move.
You can't move.
I seriously can't move.
You could move earlier. Turn on your controller again.
Yeah. Is it a good controller?
I can't even move!
You could move earlier.
Yeah, but I like somebody else was controlling my bird. I wasn't touching anything.
Oof.
I had to feel like Flippy was.
Yeah, Floofy, try again. Interest. Yeah, as you can see, Pete, this game is still in testing phase. Especially like when it comes to multiplayer.
Wow, well, Mike over here is just looking down, staring at my soul.
So... I can't even
Wait,
see.
let's try the Switch Pro controller.
I don't think that one's
I do
gonna
have
work.
it.
You can try. Wait, look like what's cool? If you look at the Blackout's cam right now, top right, you can see my head actually moves on my bird.
I cannot even move.
You're moving right now, Blackout.
There we go. Finally.
One that's not even moving.
Oh, I heard.
I'm finally moving.
We're
I'm finally
working.
moving.
Can you?
Oh my god, power of
Triggers.
Nintendo. Okay.
Go triggers.
Triggers.
Triggers to
Oh.
move forward.
Oh.
Hey, we're going.
Hey,
We're
okay.
all going.
Pretty good.
Let's go.
Woo!
This is kind of cool. Alright, I'm gonna have to take.
Wait,
I have to
should I-
get used to this. Ooh.
Yeah, I like that window.
You know
Shiny.
what it actually reminds me of? It reminds me of like Star Fox. So,
Oh yeah.
Fox.
It's kind of like Wipeout.
So what we're
I like
supposed to be
Nintendo.
doing? Because I'm just aimlessly flying around.
I mean,
Ah.
there's a track you can go. I was planning to maybe use like a timer to actually maybe race around the track and see who can go the fastest. I mean, I'm gonna be the fastest for sure, but I want to see other peeps try it.
Like, can you,
This is actually kind of cool.
And maybe do some hide and seek. Like I'm the VR guy here, so I don't see anything.
I mean.
I don't see where you are at. So we can all get lost.
I'm just going through the track.
Yeah, let's go back to
so
the. Let's go back to the
All right.
Let's go back to the starting line.
I am so surprised how the PS4 controller is not working, and then when it comes to Nintendo Switch, it's like the Pro controller, it works.
Okay, there's the finish line. Hello, whoever went there. That's brisk.
I am just lost.
I keep bonking my head onto the
Yeah,
railing
I got it.
thingy.
Where the start line at?
Oh, I kind of see. Wait, am I stuck?
Oh, oh!
Never mind. I kind of look like a dragonfly. Rivali's Gale is now ready. Wah!
Okay, for some reason my body's down there. I don't know why.
I don't know where everyone is.
Okay, do you know where the starting line is, where we all started?
No, I don't.
There's one of the rings is actually black and white, which is starting line. Let's all stop there.
Like you know the way around your own map. Like
I don't know where I am though, but I'm feeling a green thingy.
Mike, just give me a map tour.
Yeah, well, go back to the starting line because I don't know where you are either.
I'm just flying about. I don't even know where I am. This is my first time on this freaking map, okay?
I know. Okay, just follow the okay, I see someone over there.
Alright.
I see someone over there. I think that's Brisk. Brisk. No, that's Floof. That's Floof.
Hi.
There you
Where are
go.
you?
There you go. I'm over
Where
here.
are
I know
you?
you are.
Where the fuck are you?
I just stopped in front of you. Hello, that's me.
Yeah,
Wait.
I see.
I can't. Oh, there you are. Hi, Mike.
I'm me. Hello.
Happy
Hello.
birthday.
Stop.
Happy
Burp.
birthday.
No.
It's a birthday. Are we gonna have chicken nuggies?
No. Cook Blackout. Okay, I see someone else over there. Follow me, Floof.
Wait,
Oh
Mike,
god.
Mike,
Okay, I'll try to
where-
follow you.
where are you?
I'm.
Which is it?
Okay, who's there? Okay, whoever just
no.
came out of the booster,
Oh,
stop.
Mike.
Mike,
Mike, I just
Mike.
lost you.
What is the
That's Blackout.
the starting line?
Blackout, stop.
Oh,
I
no.
saw you. Stop. Oh god, this is.
Yeah, stop it at full force.
Okay, so stop over there. Floof, the starting line. If you see my trail, is over there.
I def. Wait. Ah. Where is it? I can't really look down, which is kind of like a little downside, but.
Oh, I'm over here. Over here, just here.
Eh. Where?
Wait a second.
Wait,
What?
can you see?
You can see my trail, can you?
I can't look up or down. But
Nah, I'm in front of you right now. Oh, there you go.
what? Oh. Wait. What? Where the fuck
Hold
you
on,
go?
wait.
There, oh, come back. Stop.
Mike! I got my car!
Hold up. Floof, okay. Floof, go point in the other direction. And follow the track until you see a black and white ring.
Okay.
And go slowly. It should be like the like in 2 rings, I think. It's right after the booster. And stop there.
Right after the booster.
Okay, I see someone there. Blackout, there you are.
Am I going the wrong way?
Yes, you're going the wrong way. It's the other way for the starting line.
Nah, shoot.
Did I make it? Did I,
mean,
make it? Am I here?
You went too far.
Wait.
Fuck!
Yeah, just go the other way, Blackout. You see the black and white ring? That's the starting line.
I can't tell. It's pretty grainy on my end.
Yeah, it's same here.
Is it pretty grainy? Oh, I guess it's parsec.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so after the branch, you should have a black and white ring. Okay, and this was...
I'm stuck on a tree branch.
Wait.
Who is that? That's Brisk, I think. Yeah, that's Brisk. Brisk. Come back. Come back to the starting line. You see my trails in front of you?
Is that blackout? Blackout, is that you?
I guess parsec. Oh, actually, let me check my parsec settings. Let me check my parsec settings. I think maybe doing. Oh, hold up! Oh crap! Hold up a second! Don't touch anything, guys. Uh oh! Stop touching anything.
Oh no.
I just need to check something.
Oh, I'm infinitely flying in one direction and I will nowhere stop prepared.
There we go. All right.
Oh.
Should have got the control now.
Oh my god, that's much more better looking. Okay.
Oh,
Yes. Thank you, Mike.
And then it went back to grainy.
Dang it.
It's starting to go back green. Alright.
Okay, someone is at the starting line, so that's good.
Is that me? Is that me?
I see. I think that's okay. That's Blackout at the starting line. Over there is that's you. Yeah, Floof, you're there. It's 1 ring further, like in the there should be. That ring is the ring in front of you right now, the starting line.
Ready. I made it.
And we're gonna see who can go around the track the fastest.
I'm gonna fucking lose.
Again, Brisk, you're coming straight to the starting line. Break now.
Yeah.
Brisk,
okay.
you're just looking around. Let's go back to the starting line. Stop right there. You're under arrest.
Oh, wait, is it? Oh, no. Wait. Let me see.
Yep, yeah, you're going this way. Yes, this way. Yeah, this way for you. See me. Behind you.
Greetings.
Greetings, yes. It's
Hey,
gonna
Mike,
be
Mike.
over here.
By the way, Mike, happy Happy Day.
Let me see.
Over there, right in front of me, there's the starting line.
There we go.
Okay, so we all at the starting line. Alright, we all regroup. Alright, let's make the burp square here.
E.
Like, this is just like literally.
Get over here, Blackout.
Wait, where the fuck are you guys?
We're right in front of you, damn it.
God damn it, Mike!
Oh, Jesus Christ, Blackout.
I'm sorry!
Come back slowly.
Turn around.
Slowly. And break. Alright, and maybe grab it lower. Alright. Let me just go in front.
I don't know myself.
Alright. So, right, you see me all here. Alright, I am over here. All screens are in front of me, yes.
Let me go back and
No.
I'm gonna lower myself a bit.
I can just do this.
Stop. And
There we go.
then
Back it a little bit. And I'll be honest, I've never seen my game run like this before. Like, I've never actually tested proper 4-player multiplayer before. And it's actually super cool. Including one being in VR. It's actually super cool. Man, it's so dope.
Here I am. I'm here.
Yeah, go full right.
Okay, so here's the thinking. So I've got X-Split in the corner. Knife split, I mean. The goal is we'll go around the track as fast as possible. Well, I guess we can do it one by one because I won't be able to time everyone.
True, true.
So let's go one by one, and by having the birds on the side, it's gonna be easier. So let's go a bit. We can go a bit on the side. Who wants to start the race though?
Should I go first?
And I saw Brisk with great talent as well.
I mean,
Not it.
I think we can let Brisk go first. See how he does.
Yeah, Floof and Blackout, come to your right, next to me.
E? Where are you?
On your right, other
Oh,
side.
wait. Far right.
Oh god.
Me.
Oh god. Oh wait,
Yeah.
are you there? Oh, I see you. I see you guys. Yeah.
There you are. And we can all look at Brisk from here.
Hey, I'm gonna
Check.
slowly.
Oh, we're doing that thing where it's like it's a timer thing.
Yeah, let me test my shortcuts first. So let me check my shortcut. Don't touch anything just yet, because I'm gonna go.
I can't move.
But I said don't touch anything, because I'm currently outside the window.
Beans.
Reset. Okay, so let me check. If I click on the game. Okay, reset. Okay. There's a timer in the corner, so I've got my timers ready. So Brisk, when you're ready. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
yeah.
watch from here, and you all can watch through the top left of the screen. That's a Brisk screen. So let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Lift off.
Go, Brisk,
Lift
go.
off.
Happy New Year.
Stay here. I'm gonna follow Brisk. But stay there. Don't move.
Up. Okay.
Yeah, just still pay attention to chat. Don't worry.
I don't have my chat window next
wait.
to me, unfortunately.
Okay, I see.
Well, Brisk, you're actually quite good at this.
Do you have to get all the little items that are on the track?
The items are boosters.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Like, are there any
interesting.
more power-ups they're gonna add
It's
later
got a
on
nice,
to the game?
I plan maybe some power-ups. Later on the night, there's gonna be an official timer. Like there's a timer in the old build, but not in this one yet.
Yeah, it's got a really good
Like,
feel.
you should, like, maybe, like, in the future, once you release your passion project, you should definitely, like, implement, like, a anti-cheat system, so that way hackers won't...
I mean, it's not multiplayer.
spam.
It's not online, so it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and time. 1 minute 17 seconds.
Hey!
Right.
Right on.
Eee!
Alright, get back. Come back.
That's cool. Yeah, I gotta. Where is it? There it is.
Okay, go. So time to beat. 1 minute 17 seconds. Good luck.
Wait, is it my turn or somebody else's turn?
Well, let's wait for Brisk to come back, I guess. Blackout, I guess since you're top right, I guess it's gonna be your turn.
Ah, shoot. Oh, fuck, no.
Come on, Blackout, don't be scared.
Uh,
Don't be scared, Blackout. It's perfectly fine.
it's just a game.
I don't wanna do this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man,
Mike,
Blackout, go for it.
Yeah, Mike, don't pay attention to the chat or the redeems at all.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Wait, what's happening?
Wait, hold on. Should I be in the center of the track?
I mean, that's kind of where Brisk was, so...
True. Okay, I'm in the track.
Alright, resetting a timer. Alright, are you ready, Blackout?
I am born ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh god. Like, the only thing that really throws me off is the loop. I hate it.
Ah, believe me, you're gonna be thrown off even more by the corkscrew. Oh, oh god, Blackout, come on, Blackout.
I gotta be a
Was
bird
I
for once.
just-
Be
was
a
I
bird.
just outside the track?
Feel the speed.
I'm following you from
Speed is
behind.
bird.
And also I've decided to check as well.
Well, I'm gonna be next probably. So.
Yeah, you're next, so get ready.
I'm gonna be last place, I swear. But then again, I really
Chris
hate
did
myself.
his part like swiftly.
Oh, I'm frozen.
Now you got it.
Ah!
Yeah, I mean, to be fair,
Oh shoot! Ah!
Oh god, Blackout, don't get
that's
lost. Ow, I hit a
I'm
tree.
already lost as I already am.
Oh
There's a
boy.
huge delay on my end, so it was kind of hard to control.
Hey, if Brisk can do it, you can do it. Okay. Time!
I'm dying.
British line! Okay, Brisk was like a minute 17 seconds. Right? I think, right?
Yep.
Blackout, you did a minute 36.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, pretty good.
I'm gonna suck. Watch me suck. Alrighty,
Alright, Floofy, your turn.
alrighty.
With
I
the-
have to move my.
With literally the
I'm
coolest
frozen.
bird of all.
I'm frozen. Hang on one second.
Like, you see,
Hold
like for
on, I'm
people
coming.
like for people that don't know, like those birds that you see here are all fully customizable. You can interchange the beak, the head, the body, the legs, the tail, the wings.
Yee.
All of them can be interswapped between every single of those birds you see right now, and more. And you can customize the colors, the materials, and that's gonna affect your stats.
Like, the trailer that he already put out for
Alright,
his passion
I
project
need to
is
learn.
somewhere
I need
online,
to.
like,
I'm not moving, so I don't know why I'm not moving.
You're not moving. Right, you
Oh,
reconnect
no.
your controller. I'm not moving anymore either. Oh, that. Ah, there we go.
Ready. I'm a frozen chiggy nuggy.
Come on,
I can't
Floof.
move. I can't move.
Come on.
Fuck. Ah. Wait,
Um,
this thing literally disconnected. What the fuck?
I believe in you. Let me help you, actually. Let me just push you
Yeah.
you to the track.
I'm gonna be.
Let me push you.
I can't.
Okay, how can I push you down though? That's gonna be a problem.
Ready. Yeah. Wow. When it comes to my fucking turn, of course. Alrighty. Why are you not moving?
I missed.
Ready. So, where the fuck are we?
Hey, Mike, is it nauseating in VR?
Not too much, actually. Like, what's advantageous with the VR mode is that I don't know if you can see on your screen, but you can actually see the beak.
Yeah, I
Alrighty.
see.
I see
That
a
actually
bird
helps.
butt.
A bird butt.
I see a bird butt.
That's mine. But yeah, the beak actually helps with motion sickness. Like, actually, that has been proven with another game that's called Eagle Flight, which is like another bird game.
Ready. I can't move. I don't know why I can't move.
We run connect. Ready? Disconnect. No. Disconnect or reconnect your controller or something. Did you try that?
Yeah, I pulled the controller out of my from the thing, and then I replug it several times, and still, I don't know. I didn't do anything to it, and it's just like that.
Huh.
God damn it! No.
Bro, that controller issue. Come on.
Wait.
Wait. Is it because my switch is on? Did it turn my switch on? No.
That is good.
Looks like it.
Try, actually, you could try to disconnect from Parsec and reconnect.
Alrighty.
Mike, I'm not gonna lie though.
I don't know how to do that though, but
I can kick you out and then you can reconnect. Okay, so peeps, don't touch anything. Please avoid touching anything from now.
ready?
So let me kick you out. Eek.
Oh no, I've been kicked by Mike the Bird.
And try to
God
reconnect
damn.
now. We're connected to the
Alright.
built-in rendering device. Yep.
AKA Bird.
Alright. Oh, nope. Press the overlay button.
Oh
Wait,
boy.
press the overlay button. What the?
Wait.
Oh. Chat window. Surround. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect. How do I?
You should have the Parsec icon and you can press disconnect from there.
No, I know. That's what I did. Now I'm connecting again. Alrighty. And
Hey!
I'm working now. I'm instantly spinning.
Oh. That's
Oh.
drift. Oh, there it
I
is.
did- Wait, is that drift?
What the?
Stop drifting! You
think-
spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, right round.
Yes! Well, you should be good now, right?
I'm not moving. I'm still not moving. It like works for like 1 second and then like dies.
Ah,
Alright.
I feel like that's definitely a controller issue. It's not a game issue.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. Okay,
Well-
let me go back to the PS4. Let's see.
I'm
Or
gonna get on
Parsec
the
issue.
studio in the meantime.
But it does work, like, man, like, minus those controller issues, what do you all think of the game? Like, the multiplayer experience?
It's really nice,
Right.
actually.
Yeah. Got a great feel.
Yee. Ah! It's nice. Let's see if the color actually works because it's blue.
Gonna go fly around for a little bit.
Yee. Tell you when my shit works.
Streaks are fun.
I mean, and after that race, if you can manage to get it working, it's gonna be the
got
Jackbox
it.
segment. Oh, you got it?
I got it working.
Yeah, working, alright, good.
Alrighty.
Okay, so, Brash, come back.
Yeah.
Wait, Mike. I'm gonna go get my phone real quick, so in case it would go to the Jackbox segment.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's Floofy that's gonna race now.
Ready.
Say, 1:17 from Brisk, 1:36 for Blackout. Let's see what Floofy does.
Ready.
Oh, Brisk, where are you?
Also, wait, Mike.
Okay.
If I win this, do you think I can get an extra waggle with cuteness overboard?
I guess you can get a free one, but good luck being Brisk.
Eee.
Or me.
Alright, tell me when to go.
Alright, well, Brisk is there. Alright. Final race. Firm Floofy Phoenix. Alright. 3. Bottom left, people. 3, 2, 1, and go. Just so you all know, my webcam's broken because I had to offset. Ooh, who donated? Michael with the 15 bucks. Thank you so much.
Oh, hey!
Nice.
Shit, I fucked up. Okay, I'm probably gonna like.
and I'm super happy we got it working. Because this is just amazing. Imagine when this game's gonna be finished. With all the maps and all the things.
Luffy is still going.
Yeah, Fluffy's still going, and I'm noticing that...
Oh, shit.
Oh.
You went down the other side of that.
I'm noticing... Is one of our trails dead? One of us... Fluffy, you broke one of your trails!
I'm not.
Oh no, my controller died! Oh no, I can't see what the heck! No, I don't see... Okay, I'm gonna have to look...
Massive fucking lag spike happened. That's what happened.
Okay, I'm gonna have to time it there. And you missed a booster. Good job. And time.
Last place. Alrighty.
Okay, so finish times. Brisk with a minute 17. Good job on that. Blacktop with a minute 37 or something. Close to that. And Floofy with 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Place.
Good job.
What?
You beat Blackout.
Oh, okay.
What, you beat me? No!
Good job, Floof.
Eee!
Yeah.
Alright, at least I got second place.
At least you got second place. I mean, I'm not racing because I would definitely get first. Because that's my game.
It's your
My
game,
controller died! My controller died!
And my controller died while I was following you, alright?
My
And I just-
controller died!
And I just want to hit a complete... I just want to hit a railing. Yeah, I'm gonna go join the other peeps here. Hey, peeps, I'm back.
I'm stuck.
I'm
on a
sorry to
rock.
say that we've lost Floof.
Oh no, I have to fend for myself.
Are we listening to Jackbox Games?
Yeah, that's gonna be the next step. It's gonna be the Jackbox games.
It's like, what do we do now in Project Fly?
Alright, let's go fly for the south.
I have you try to go outside. Try to go above the clouds.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm
Also,
so sorry.
all trails broken. Interesting. One of each trail has completely broken on all of us. Interesting. That's a bug.
Yeah, you gotta debug on that one.
Yeah, fly to the skies and go above the trees.
Fly for the skies.
Going to bird heaven.
Wait, Mike. Do you have a free cam where you can like take a group picture?
I don't know. At least not in Private Flight. I mean, I have one in debug. There goes my controller again. It died again. I need to charge my batteries.
Okay, where are you guys?
Oh wow. You can really see the reflections up here.
But here's the thing, fun fact. If we were 2 players or less, there would be a bazillion reflections. Like, it would be actual real-time reflection. If it was 2 players or less.
Rich,
Yeah.
where are you?
Yeah, just that. Yeah, that like metallic texture. You really see it in the sunlight. That's really dope.
Where are you, Brisk?
I'm up in bird.
God damn it.
Do you smell
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to shut up the game though, so...
I'm dead. At least I know that the controllers freaking work. Nah.
Yeah, so, 3, say bye-bye to Product Flight, everyone.
Why?
3, 2,
Bye-bye.
1.
Bye-bye, burb.
Jata.
And also, I'm gonna have to kick all you out of a parsec. I'm
You
sorry.
can't kick me when I disconnected myself!
Get off the stage.
Too late. Too flippin' late. Good job.
That was funny.
Let me just yoink my headset back over there. And get my headphones back. And could restart the music. And change also Discord, because I need to change my Discord thingy. Yeet. Alright, I should be able to all hear you.
Hi.
There you go.
Hello.
Say it's, I mean, I'm dead in the corner right now. That's great.
Chilling.
Hey, Flippy. I have a couple of shorts.
Gummy sharks? What the? What's that?
Gummy shorts.
Sharks? Like
Sharks.
gummy sharks? Ooh.
Gummy sharks.
Sharks.
I wish I could share those gummy sharks with y'all.
Okay. Quickly booting up the rest of my things.
Like, if we're all meet each other in person, then I'd be able to help with the Subathon thing.
Out of the way. It's gonna be
Where's that
Jackbox time. Yes.
Oh, don't forget the wiggle cuteness.
My control is dead. I don't have controls. I can't do. Hold up a second. I'm gonna try to just use a USB cable. If it wants to go in, damn it.
That's cuteness overload.
This ASMR is not allowed on stream. It's a. It's a. No blackout. Bad blackout. E. Cute barb.